Hello, my name is Summer Janae and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to start off by talking to you all about hormone replacement therapy. So in this video, I'm going to link a previous video in which I talked about menopausal symptoms, and I showed you guys the hormones I was taking once I was initially diagnosed with post-menopause or menopausal symptoms right after I had COVID. Well, fast forward 5 years, and I am now starting hormone replacement therapy again. And this time I have something different that I'm being treated with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and jump into what the treatment plan is now. So recently I went to visit a local OBGYN in order to have my hormones tested, because you have to be mindful that some doctors, like your primary care manager, may not feel comfortable treating hormonal type things. And so I found a physician who specializes in hormone treatment, and she ran my labs. She confirmed that I'm postmenopausal, and she also confirmed that my hormone levels were taint. And so the hormone replacement therapy that she walked me through what my options were and what I wanted to do. And because I have a history of DVTs, then had one back in 2012 after an injury, but that's another video for another day. My options are limited. So I really like the patch I had back in 2021. But with that patch, I had to remember exactly what day I put the patch on, and because I think you were supposed to change it out like every 3 or 4 days. So in essence, you were using maybe like 2 patches a week. So what I like about the new patch I have now, which is this Estradiol transdermal system, and it releases 0.025 milligrams a day. I can put this patch on. I'm rotating them on the back side of my hips, if you will, because the patch will last for an entire week. So I just rotate them. I'll take the old one off and put the new one on the other side that I'm taking it off from. And that kind of helps me keep track of not using the same side, because I know that I'm rotating them. But what I like about this patch is once you put it on, like it's almost like a set it and forget it type thing. I don't have to worry about it until Saturday when it's time for me to take it off. It doesn't itch. It doesn't lift up. It has really good adhesive. So once I put it on, it's on. But my OBGYN told me that when I asked for the combination patch like I had before, she said that studies have shown that the best way to get progesterone in is to take it orally. And so I also have some pills. I take one progesterone pill. It's 100 micrograms every night. So that is what I'm using right now to do my hormone replacement therapy. I just started, I'm just on my 2nd week, so I will do a later follow-on video to let you guys know how that's working. But so far, so good. If you're using something else, or you like your hormone replacement therapy that you're utilizing better, by all means, please drop your comments in the comment section. If you have any questions about the steps you can take to get your levels checked, or to have this conversation with your doctor or your OBGYN, feel free to drop a comment or question in the comment section. I will put the name of this patch again in the description box, and I hope you are having an amazing day. Also, one last thing before we go, if you like this content on hormone replacement therapy and the things that I'm using, please subscribe to this channel and let me know you want more videos like this. Otherwise, have an amazing rest of your day and go be great.